When the first prototypes of the GANs cube were sent out back in late 2020, everyone who received one said it was an instant main over the popular Aoyan's cube. Since its release, it has become the main of a lot of fast cubers and currently holds the Asian record average of 2.32 seconds by Yanchen Zhu. But after 7 months, how does the GANs cube hold up to other popular cubes such as the Moyu Aoyan? Hey guys, it's me Ram here, and in today's video we're going to be looking at whether the GANs cube is the best cube on the market as of mid 2021. The standard version of the GANs cube can be picked up at Speedcube shop for $22, whereas the enhanced version, the one I have right now, can be picked up for $32. A big thank you to Speedcube shop for sending me this puzzle to test, and if you guys want to buy this cube or any other Speedcube, be sure to get it at Speedcube shop and use the discount code RAM for 5% off your order, as well as a shout out at the end of my latest video. The standard GANs cube only comes with core magnets, however the enhanced version, the one I have here, also comes with magnets in the pieces, which makes the magnetic strength much stronger. I personally prefer stronger magnets in cubes, therefore I went for the enhanced version. However, if you prefer lighter magnets in cubes, the standard version is great as well. This cube also measures in at 56mm across and its mass is 82 grams. As always, the stickerless shades on this puzzle are really nice and vibrant. I've had absolutely no problem with recognition because the colors contrast really nicely. Right out of the box, the turning on the GANs cube is incredibly smooth, soft and way too fast. Even with the incredibly strong magnets, I was finding it pretty difficult to control this puzzle right out of the box. I then added some Martian from Speedcube shop to slow down this puzzle just a little bit, and now I'm able to control it a lot better. As you guys can see, the outer texture of this puzzle is semi-frosted, wherein it's not nearly as frosted as some other puzzles. However, it's not exactly glossy either. Like for example, here is my wall cam, which is completely glossy. After lubing it with Martian, the feeling of this puzzle is a little bit slower than it was out of the box, and it is a lot softer. Now let's talk about corner cutting, where in my opinion the GANs cube absolutely shines. Forward corner cutting can almost go up to 45 degrees forward, and as for reverse it can go a little bit, but it takes absolutely no effort. Comparing this to my Aoyan here, the Aoyan can barely corner cut this much forward, and if you go a little bit further it takes way too much effort for it to be usable. And as for reverse, once again it takes too much effort and half the time it doesn't even cut. As for the X-Man Wingy, I cannot seem to find mine right now. However, its corner cutting is pretty similar to the Moyu Aoyans. Now let's talk about catches. Due to the insane corner cutting on this puzzle, I can turn nearly as fast as I want to without worrying about lockups at all. Now that I've covered all these points, do I believe that the GANs cube is the best cube on the market? I think so. In comparison to the Aoyan, its better overall corner cutting and feel has inspired me to practice cube a lot more, and therefore I've dropped my times by about half a second. Now let's hear what Divij Yadav has to say about this cube. He is potentially one of the best cube solvers in India, so yep, massive thank you to him for joining me on. Let's hear from him.
Hey everyone, I'm Divij and I'll be giving my thoughts on the GANs cube. Now without a doubt, this is the best cube in the market and is better than the Aoyan or Wingy in many aspects. The first major improvement is the corner cutting and stability. Corner cutting on this cube is insane and the magnets are moderate strength. This gives the cube a stable and smooth feel, and the core magnet makes the cube less flimsy. The second is the customization. You get various settings to choose from, and due to wide range of options, it can fit anyone's turning style. Overall, this cube is very good and is worth the price. But there are some things that the cube lack. The first is the grip. Due to the frosted plastic, the cube tends to slip quite often and it is not the best to experience. Also, sometimes the corner of the cube breaks. Me and Ananya have experienced it and it does affect the performance a bit. But to summarize, this is a great buy both for beginners and advanced level solvers. Thank you to Ram for having me on. Bye.
So that basically wraps up my video on why I believe the GANs cube is the best cube on the market as of now. Thanks a lot for watching and I hope you guys enjoyed. And a big thank you to Divij Yadav for joining me on. Goodbye.